Are you looking for the electric toothbrush? In this video we will show the 5 electric toothbrush. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, Oral-B Genius X Limited Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. With one replacement brush head, travel case. Brand, Oral-B. Power source, corded electric. Item firmness, description hard. Color, midnight black. Superior plaque removal. The Oral-B Genius X Limited Electric Toothbrush removes up to 100% more plaque versus a regular manual toothbrush. Personalized coaching gives you daily personal coaching to cover all areas evenly, with the right amount of pressure for the right time, making it a great electric toothbrush for adults. Smart connectivity, Bluetooth technology to connect your rechargeable toothbrush to your smartphone. Package includes 1 Genius X Limited Rechargeable Toothbrush, 1 Toothbrush Electric Rechargeable Head, a charger, and a travel case. Dentist recommended. Oral-B is the #1 dentist recommended toothbrush brand worldwide. Number 2. Oral-B IO Simple Clean Rechargeable Electric Powered Toothbrush. Pure white with 1 gentle care brush head and 1 white travel case. Automatic pressure sensor to protect gums, 3 modes -2-minute timer. Brand, Oral-B. Special feature 3 cleaning settings. Automatic gum pressure sensor, brushing timer, fits all Oral-B IO replacement brush heads, long-lasting battery with a low charge indicator 3 cleaning settings, automatic gum pressure sensor, brushing timer. Power source, battery powered. Item firmness, description firm. Removes 100% more plaque versus a regular manual toothbrush with Oral-B's most advanced technology IO, tough on plaque, gentle on gums. Designed for an easy switch, 2 electric brushes with a 1-touch button, quiet sound, long-lasting battery, and it starts on the super sensitive cleaning setting. Protect your gums with the automatic gum pressure sensor that slows down speed and signals red when you brush too hard. 3 cleaning settings to easily choose your perfect clean, super sensitive, gentle, daily clean. Brush for dentist recommended time with 2-minute brush timer that alerts you every 30 seconds to change your brushing zone. Fits all Oral-B IO replacement brush heads, ultimate clean, gentle care, radiant white, specialized clean. Number 3. TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush for Adults. With 8 brush heads, 2 types. 4 modes deep clean electric toothbrush with rechargeable power and 2-minute smart timer. Reusability, reusable. Toothbrush head shape, round. Color, 1 black. Bristle material, nylon. Handle material, plastic. Clean 6x more plaque, for a clean that wow, removing up to 600% more teeth stain than a regular manual toothbrush. TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush goes above and beyond by effectively cleans more teeth stain compared to a regular toothbrush. This exceptional performance is attributed to its robust motor, innovative windmill design, and precision-crafted arc-cut bristles. Professional Dual Clean Replacement Toothbrush Heads. The Dual Clean Replacement Toothbrush Head has 2 type brush heads for a comprehensive clean. 1 bristle with special soft glue section cleans exogenous coloration effectively to whiten teeth, while the other head with 60% greater density durable bristles provides deep cleaning and % teeth stain removing. Dual action provides superior cleaning. 8 replacement brush heads last for 2 years. TEETHEORY Rotating Electric Toothbrush comes with 8 DuPont brush heads, which you can use for 2 years. You can share a toothbrush, and different color collars can be used to distinguish the toothbrush heads of different family members. You will know it's time to change the brush head. Number 4. AI Electric Toothbrush with Smart Display for Adults Kids. 150-day rechargeable toothbrush, real-time map. 3-minute timer, travel case. Teen Sonic Toothbrush Gift. Brand, Rechargeable. Age range, adult, teen, kid. Special feature 3 minutes brushing timer. Power source battery powered. Item firmness description medium. Your morning wins start here, not a basic toothbrush. Watch live screen zones fill. G5S Smart Toothbrush tracks 6 oral zones, how and where you brush in real time. Brush red zones and hit 100% coverage, maintain good oral hygiene all day. In user experience interviews with G5S owners of over 6 months, 10 out of 10 reported a noticeable improvement in teeth cleanliness. Small victory, big habit. 79,000 high-speed ultimate clean, G5S smart toothbrush features an ultrasonic and industry-leading motor producing 79,000 vibrations per minute, with a 20 degrees oscillating sonic motion. G5S perfectly aligns with the dentist-recommended base brushing technique. 5 personalized modes and 3-minute smart timer. Choose from 5 modes: beginner, whitening, fast, massage, gentle, to customize your needs. The built-in smart timer ensures the dental recommended 3-minute brushing time. It also pulses every 30 seconds to guide you through 6 quadrants of your mouth. 150 days rechargeable battery life and travel case. The exquisite and portable travel case makes G5S electric toothbrush for adults, business weeks, weekend camps for kids, and all families overseas runs all pass without a recharge hunt. Number 5. Replacement toothbrush heads for Oral-B Braun. 8-pack professional electric toothbrush heads. Precision clean brush heads refill compatible with Oral-B. Brand, Tingox. Color, white. Material, synthetic. Age range, adult. Great compatibility. Electric toothbrush head is compatible with the entire lineup of Oral-B rechargeable handles. Fits Vitality, Triumph, Genius, Professional, and more. Pack of 8 replacement brush heads and value purchase. Included 8 precision clean toothbrush heads allow you to replace at any time. Each brush head has a different color-coded identification ring which will help you to pick up your personal brush heads so that you can share with your family. Superior clean and soft DuPont bristles. With the flossing technology, a high-low DuPont bristles toothbrush head is ideal for cleaning around sensitive and inflamed areas and protecting the gums from being damaged. Clinically proven to remove up to 7x more plaque along the gum line and in between teeth than a manual toothbrush. Leading high quality. Fed up with replacement toothbrush heads that are noisy, fit badly, lose bristles or break easily? The sensitive toothbrush head adopts DuPont filaments, which has been approved as the apex of quality in the oral care synthetic filament industry. It is durable and not easy to fall off that ensure you'll get a great brushing experience. Easy to install and 100% customer satisfaction. Just pull your old brush head and snap the new one on, easily and smoothly. Before shipment there would be a strict QC to make sure work properly. Just reach out to our dedicated customer service team, and we will work with you to ensure your satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.